let's go. Let's look at the worst places. It's not too bad. Oh. Yeah, it's not too bad. For an EK Civic, that's immaculate, especially now in the UK with the salt. Do all the fuel lines. Us having a full build, we'll just drop everything out anyway. Now guys, it's pretty good to be fair. Obviously like the worst places on these Civics now, on the EKs, is the jacking points. Well, it's just a bit crusty. We're gonna drop everything out anyway. These are the bits that usually suffer really bad. And like the trailing arms and stuff, so hopefully we can just sort that. And then we'll probably paint the whole bottom before we put anything in. Oh, that's minor. Was it rust to a minimal? Oh, my phone went in. All right, yeah, I jinxed it, guys. There's a bit. Oh. Yeah, Mike's just made more work for us. He can do that bit. You gonna get up welding?
Yeah.
Better start practicing. Yeah, guys, the best thing about it's just got all the original screws and everything, even all the clips and everything. It's my favourite bit. It's got all the spot welds still, which obviously doesn't matter, so I'm going to roll the arches, but yeah, it's basically been unmolested, which is good, because it's not had any welding. Hey guys, yeah, so I don't know where to start this video, but Mikey's got carried away again. That's my friend who comes down on the weekends. But yeah, just guys, if you want to let us know what you want us to do with this build in the comments down below, whether you want us to do like an OEM plus build, turbo it, I don't know, there's so many things. There's so many things you can do with this build, and obviously I'm going to get in contact with some suppliers and see which parts we can get, obviously the coilovers and stuff, but obviously it's a B18 C4 with an S80 box, so I want to decide what wheels we want and so on. We're doing cutting her up, mate, that's it. Oh, Jesus, it clapped me in the head. All right.
Right.
Hey, watch out. Is it? Oh, shit. Oh! God damn! Oh, it snapped. Mike, you got at least some bits for me to do. He's getting carried away, man. Phew. It's ready for Halloween. It's dirty but clean. What film's that on? Oh, you even said the right one. All the smoke, no go. So remember where the bolts go. I hope.
They try to take it, I'm getting it back. And if they hit me, they gotta get taxed. I'm making hit after hit after hit, and I promise you, boy, every one of them slap. Hop on a verse and I body it quick. They never work, and it's why we don't mix. I don't got time for the fake, and I swear that I'll always stay real, something they never did. Oh, they saying that I'm up next. I told them that I'm up now. Promise I came for the next. I'm needing honeys on honeys, cause that's what I'm worth.
Yeah, guys, what we're gonna do is take the engine out from the top, because we wanna keep it as a rolling shell. So we'll literally take it out, keep it as a rolling shell, and then when we finish with it, drop the subframe out and put the other subframe in. So me and Mike are used to working on the garage floor, well, the driveway, aren't we, on the floor? So yeah, we're struggling to reach those in, just realised you can put the ramp down. All right guys, yeah, so I'm ready to get the engine out. Paul's giving me a hand. This used to be my college tutor. He got me my first job. We catch up every week. We're actually trying to start a business together, basically converting camper vans and then renting them out. But yeah, he got me my first job, basically started my career, and he's looked after me as much as he can. And I've tried to teach him obviously the right way. He taught me the wrong way, and I'm showing him how to do it properly now. So yeah, it's good. But yeah, we want to get this engine out. We're going to take it out the top way. Usually I drop them up from the bottom on the Hondas and stuff because it's easier with the subframe, but I want to keep it as a rolling shell. But yeah, let's get this engine out, Paul. Oh. So I'll repair that a bit later. Jesus. The battery's flat, that's why. Jeez. Oh, there you go. So was I your best student, Paul?
Second best.
Second best? Yeah. Who's your best?
We can't talk about that one.
Ah. Yeah, it's crazy, guys. Every time I bump into a friend or something, or like I'm here with Paul, So on the term, like, oh, it's Paul, what the hell? And then like find out he's looked after them in college as well. And taught them either like mechanical, bodywork, paintwork. So he's like jack of all trades, master of none. So it's all good. No respect, is there? No respect. No respect.
Get off and put the people down.
Oh no, I don't. Always put your hand, put your palm on the corner of the bonnet, because then obviously you didn't go through the windscreen. I've done it before. He didn't show me that. And never have the ratchet on the outside, because if you hit the wing, yeah, you bugger. Don't drop this one, because it's I got it. So I forgot the subframe doesn't go under the engine on these. So what I'm going to do, you take the wheels off, lower it down onto the crate, unbolt the engine mounts, and then just push it forward, drop it on the crate, and hopefully we could just lift the car off. Not heavy enough. Right, stop. Yeah, go on in. Oh, there's a wire attached, hang on. No, there's not. Alright guys, yeah, so we just got it out. So obviously this was the D14 A4. Alright, so it's in very good condition. I know it looks dirty and stuff, but usually the chassis legs are sort of rotten along here. It looks like someone's put cavity wax and wax oil over it anyway. So it looks like it's been looked after. You going? Are you pushing or am I pulling? See guys, like, he only helped me because he wanted to do an oil change. He's manipulating me. So what you doing it, Paul?
That's it.
That's it? Sound. Yeah guys, I literally just basically ripped my ligaments on my foot. And the car bounces off me. Ah, oh, Jesus. Right guys, Paul didn't even come to my rescue either. She needed a hug. Alright guys, so he's taken over the workshop, now he's even washing his car. I think he'd literally just train me up so I can get business and then he could just take over. Is that right, Paul? What? Like you're taking the piss, like you're even washing your car as well now? Yeah, just take everything. Alright, I've said the car is about a million times now the car is mint, but obviously I better check the seals. Jeez! Yeah, it's really good. Right, let's give it a quick jet wash. So it's come out a lot cleaner than I thought, man. So you've got a bit here, it's obviously surface rust. The top of the front panel is the worst piece. But I really stress about keeping the original parts, man. I really want to keep this original front panel because the cheap ones you buy offline are really flimsy. So you can literally bend them. But this is nice and solid. So if I can sort this out, we're on to a winner. But yeah, apart from that, this will come out good. Chassis legs are good, they're obviously straight as well, which is the main thing. But even the seals, it's come out so clean, man. I said the fuel flap as well. Oh, shut now. But if someone's actually sprayed wax oil over everything, which has obviously preserved it, so that's pretty good. Number plate says Neo as well from the Matrix, so that's good. So I want to keep the original wings as well because the gaps and the alignment are perfect. So it's just the doors. The doors have got a couple of dents in it. So I'll show you down the panels. And my mate Adam's sick at doing paintless dent removal, so I'll see what he can do with these ones. All right guys, so we've got these rotor slipstreams I got off my friend Jesse. He's a proper Honda nut as well. And he's quite hyper like myself, so we get on pretty well. But yeah, these are rotor slipstreams. They're like pretty much common wheel you put on this EK Civics, but they're 7.5J, so they're a little bit wider. We've also got these Civic EK9 hubs, and they're in really good condition. I know they look crusty, but they're in really good condition. I'll strip them down anyway and get re-powder coat them, clean all the brakes up and everything, and it'd be a good little swap. And guys, the main thing is, what colour should we do it? Obviously, it'd be nice to keep it the original red, but I've been spraying the whole thing. I might as well change the color. And what should we do with the B series engine? Should we turbo it, keep it naturally aspirated, keep it OEM plus, or just go Savage with it? I know you're gonna say Savage, but it'd be nice to make it OEM plus, because then when you put it next to someone, you're gonna gap them, and then, yeah. So,